Psychological pain is an intrinsic part of human experience. It is often rooted in past experiences, trauma, and the complex interplay of thoughts and emotions. Because of its deeply ingrained nature, attempting to completely eliminate psychological pain can be an exercise in futility. Instead, how we manage and move forward with this pain plays a crucial role in our overall well-being. Acceptance and commitment therapy ACT emphasizes this very principle through its foundational concept of acceptance. This notion is grounded in the understanding that efforts to eradicate psychological pain often backfire, intensifying the suffering and entangling individuals further in their distress. As a result, the pursuit of a fulfilling life is sidelined. Consider the example of Sarah, a woman who experienced significant trauma during her childhood. For years, she focused all her energy on trying to forget and eliminate the pain associated with her past. She attended numerous therapy sessions, tried various medications, and engaged in countless self-help strategies, all with the goal of erasing her traumatic memories. However, the more she fought against her pain, the more pervasive and overwhelming it became. Her life became consumed by the struggle, leaving little room for joy or fulfillment. Sarah's experience is not uncommon. Stephen Hayes, the founder of ACT, illustrates this concept with a metaphor. Imagine you are caught in quicksand. The more you struggle to get out, the deeper you sink. This metaphor highlights the paradoxical nature of psychological pain. The harder you fight against it, the stronger its grip becomes. ACT encourages individuals to adopt a different approach, one of acceptance. Acceptance does not mean resignation or giving up. Rather, it involves acknowledging the existence of psychological pain without allowing it to dominate one's life. This shift in perspective can be transformative, allowing individuals to focus on what truly matters to them. Take the example of Ali, a war veteran who suffers from PTSD. Initially, Ali's life was dominated by his attempts to suppress his painful memories and intrusive thoughts. He avoided places and activities that reminded him of his trauma, which significantly limited his life. Through ACT, Ali learned to accept his experiences and the accompanying pain as part of his history. Instead of engaging in a futile battle to erase these memories, Ali began to redirect his energy towards activities aligned with his values, such as spending time with his family, cooking healthy food, and volunteering at a local veteran organization. This acceptance enabled Ali to reclaim aspects of his life that had been overshadowed by his pain. This concept of acceptance is further illustrated by Viktor Frankl, a psychiatrist and Holocaust survivor, who wrote, "When we are no longer able to change a situation, we are challenged to change ourselves." Frankel's words speak to the essence of acceptance. By changing our relationship with psychological pain, we can transform its impact on our lives. In ACT, the focus shifts from eliminating pain to living a meaningful life despite it. This is achieved through commitment to value-based actions. Values are the guiding principles that provide direction and purpose. By identifying and committing to actions that reflect these values, Individuals can create a life that is rich and fulfilling regardless of the presence of psychological pain. In conclusion, the futility of hiding psychological pain lies in the paradox that efforts to eliminate it often amplify it and entangle us in it further. Acceptance and commitment therapy offers a powerful alternative. By accepting the presence of psychological pain and committing to value-based actions, we can transform its impact on our lives. This approach enables us to move forward not by erasing our pain, but by living fully and meaningfully despite it. As the poet Rumi wisely stated, the wound is the place where the light enters you. By embracing our wounds and focusing on what truly matters, we can find light and fulfillment even in the presence of psychological pain. Thank you for watching.